Hi there. Today I'm going to show you the cardboard cutter from Harbor Freight. Already tested it out to make sure that it worked. But it comes in a box like this. And I had to use scissors to get it out. It was really hard to get out. It came with instructions and everything. So let me get started. I'm actually going to start cutting a piece this size just to show you how it works. So cut through it pretty good. That's how thick the cardboard is. It's not thick, but it's good enough. But sometimes, you just don't get the right angle. So I'll go ahead and cut the rest of this up. And that certainly beats the hell out of trying to cut this all up with a knife and everything. And that little piece went through, it's still charged up. Has a weird charging outlet on it though. And it does come with extra blades, which is kind of nice, Okay, that's it for that one. Okay, that was a pretty good sized box. Well, not pretty good size. It was an alright sized box, and it feels like there's more juice left in the battery. But see, I cut it all up into little pieces so it'll fit in the trash pretty good. So